Artoonza.
Hey there, baby whisperers and tiny human experts. Did you know that 2 simple bottle caps are secretly baby stroller wheels just waiting to roll into your imagination?
Wow!
That's right. Today we're not just drawing baby stuff. We're creating an entire nursery wonderland with a stroller, pacifier, rattles, and feeding bottle. We're basically opening a baby boutique on paper. My little sister already placed an order. She's very demanding for a 2-year-old. Grab your markers, glitter, acrylic paints, and that fancy paint dropper, because we're about to make art so adorable, even actual babies will stop crying to look at it. Just kidding, they'll probably still cry, but you'll have the cutest baby accessories drawing ever. Let's roll into this sweet adventure together and create some nursery magic. Give us your like. Warning, excess glitter may cause spontaneous dance moves.
Aww, so cute.
Our tiny vacuum is not naughty. It's glitter hungry. Nom nom nom. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Time for the sunshine magic. We're dropping yellow paint like we're creating liquid gold. Look at that paint dropper go. Drip, drip, drip. It's like feeding a very hungry paper baby. Now grab your brush and spread that yellow happiness everywhere. Make it bright enough to rival the actual sun. My neighbor just put on sunglasses looking at this. Okay, that's a lie, but it could happen. Look at our baby stroller, pacifier, rattles, and feeding bottle coming to life with all this acrylic paint magic. We're basically running a sparkly baby boutique now. Green alert, green alert. Time to drop some leafy goodness onto our baby
Aww,
masterpiece.
so cute.
Watch those paint drops dance like tiny green jelly beans falling from the sky. Now brush it out and make everything look fresh and naturey. It's so green, even vegetables are jealous. Especially broccoli. Broccoli is always jealous. This color is making our drawing look like it just took a spa vacation. Color, color, color. This is so amazing. Give us a big thumbs up. Purple power activated. Dropping that royal paint like we're decorating a baby prince's castle. Brush it smooth and watch the magic happen. This purple is so fancy, it probably has its own butler. Our drawing just leveled up to royalty status. Color, color, color.
Aww, so cute.
And now, for the grand finale, the pièce de resistance, the cherry on top, the moment we've all been waiting for, pink. Drop that rosy paint like you're sprinkling fairy dust on a unicorn's birthday cake. Seriously, this paint dropper is working overtime. Drip drop, drip drop. Now, take your brush and spread that pink perfection everywhere. Make it so adorable that teddy bears want to take selfies with it. Smash that like button now. This pink is sweeter than cotton candy at a carnival. It's pinker than a flamingo wearing a tutu at a ballet recital. And just like that, we've created the most precious baby equipment drawing in the entire universe.
Wow!
Even actual babies would give this a thumbs up. If they could control their thumbs, that is. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.